How y'all doing? Welcome back to Blood Motorsport Lab. Today we have an 05 C230K and we will be removing the gas tank from this vehicle. The tools that you would need to remove this gas tank would be a flathead, a 1/2 inch, which is 13 millimeter. You would need an 8 millimeter socket and a 13 millimeter socket. So let's go in here and I'm gonna show you exactly what to take off. Come on. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the 4 13 millimeter bolts. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. So those are the 4 nuts that gotta come off. And then you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these off on this side. Let's pull that up. See? So you have to unplug this connector, and then you have to unplug that connector, and then that's done. And then you pull up. You don't really got to take this one off though. I'm gonna just take it off to show you. Certain models is different, like the newer models, the plug will be on that side, like a 06, 07. And then this right here, which is the emergency brake, which has a cover right here, which is 113 millimeter, which is this right here. So you'll take those 2 8 millimeters out and this 113 out. And then you'll just take this, you will have to take this off too. Just loosen this up right here, which is the emergency brake cable. Okay, so that's off. All right, we'll leave that up for now. So we back and we have to take this wheel off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the socket for that, which is a 17 millimeter. On this car, I just had 1 bolt. Well, all right, that's that. Now we take that off now. You will have to take up this cover right here. So you can make the gas tank neck visible. Because there's some things you gotta take loose. So 1. Okay, so it's 5 of these. 1 fell. And then you will also need a like a panel puller, so you can pull this right here. You will need 1 of these. That's how that goes. There we go. That's that. Pull that off. That is real dusty, y'all, so be careful, wear some glasses or something. Yep. comes out like that. It's really dusty, y'all. So definitely wear glasses, okay? So I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna go up with the lift. And you have to remove the hoses here. Well, the crazy part about it is the way I'm gonna take this out, I'm gonna just release these hoses right here, and then I'll try to snake it through there. But if not, I'll drop the frame a little bit, and then that'll be that. Hold on, y'all, stay tuned. Yeah, so I wanted to correct something. Basically, right, if you don't want to change the filler neck, like if it's not like leaking or rusted or have a hole somewhere, you can leave this 10 millimeter, that 10 millimeter, and that in. And you could just release the 3 hoses from here. 1, 2, 3 from here. And then this would just be dangling. Well, it's 4 hoses. It's another one here that goes here. So you just see it's dangling. Okay, now let's go into the car, y'all. All right, so we back. You basically got to take all the 10 millimeters from up here. You have to drop this like that. That one and this one right here. I got this exhaust hanging right here, which I don't want it to fall on me. But let me just. So the problem is now I'm gonna have to I can't get these plastics down because the lift is in the way. So what I'm gonna do, don't try this at home, but I need to pull this out. I gotta find out. I'm gonna put this under the rear. All right, we back, y'all. So a couple of things I didn't show y'all, but basically I did though. So we gotta take this differential, actually the drive shaft. So again, y'all, I didn't tell y'all this, but you have to drop the exhaust, okay, for you to be able to change the gas tank, because it's in the way. It's right here, and then the drive shaft, you definitely got to take it loose. And this emergency cable actually runs through right here also, so you would have to basically drop that. And then after that, I'll show you exactly how to get this out. There we go. Okay, so to take the differential out, well, not the differential, let me stop saying that. To take the drive shaft loose from the differential, you would need a T60, and basically it's an 18. You would need an 18 for the nut in the rear.
Keep those together right there. Turn it. Thing about it is, a swivel on this will make it easier, but since I did it so many times, I can still manage to get it to work. Okay. So, there's really no
skipping steps here. You really got to take off a lot of parts. So you see this little tin pan right here? It's a heat shield. So that heat shield definitely, it has to come down for you to be able to reach it. Hold on. There's 2 13s under there that you gotta basically release, and then you can remove the whole rear drive shaft. Okay, here we go. So we got 6 small 8s. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all right now. But let me watch out because this exhaust is hanging, y'all. And Okay, you see right here? Okay, well, in this vehicle right here, it's 2 stars. You see them, one there and one there. So after that, right, I'm gonna show y'all what y'all can do to basically, you can pull the rear drive shaft loose and leave the front end. All right, that's 1 down. All right, that's 2, right? So you would need a pry bar, okay? You can pry this like this. Be careful because it could come out. Okay, you see that? Right there. See that? See that? Nice and easy, y'all. Nice and easy. Look, so now, make sure you pop the little, see this right here? You just pull that loose from the emergency cable. Emergency brake cable, I'm sorry. I'm gonna show you right now. Right? And voila, it comes down nice and simple. See, now you got access to the gas tank, see? You got access to the gas tank now. So now you have to remove this right here, this cable. Gotta go inside and push the plastic down so I can pull this out. Once you pull this out, move that out the way. It's 4 bolts, and I'll give you the size of it in a minute when I get there. But I'll be right back, y'all. Yeah, I just wanted to come back and tell you some things. So basically, it's a 10mm here, and it's a 10mm here. So what I did, I went ahead and just took this piece out. Basically what you do is, it's like these little plastic pieces that's in here, pop those out, slide it over, pull it out, and then push these out like that. And then I'm gonna go on the bottom and I'm gonna show you exactly what we gotta be do. Well, what we have to be do. What we gotta do. So we back, and the gas tank is out. I know I skipped a couple of parts, but I'm gonna just show you what I did. I took out basically these 2 bolts, and I left these 2 partially in, at least maybe like 5 threads in, but it's kind of dangerous because what happens is if that joint falls, the spring got some compression on it, so well, the spring's got pressure on it, and okay, we back. I might have skipped a couple of steps, but I'm gonna go through it. So basically, I left these 2 in. And what I did was I took these 2 out, and then I just slid the gas tank straight through there. So here's the emergency brake, what I was telling you. So basically, you let the gas tank down a little bit, like that, and then you could just twist this out the way and let this hang. And then voila, gas tank is out, y'all. Thank y'all for watching Blood Motorsport Lab and BMS We Trust 100, y'all.